how you remove the keyboard on a Latitude E4300. You want to get a flathead screwdriver right here. You want to pull that up, and you want to get a Phillips head. You want to remove this screw here, this one, and this one. When you lift this up, you go retrieve your screws. They'll pop out and fly around. But this slides right out. And then don't plug into anything. You get your new keyboard, you lay it down, just slide it into place. That slides right down. And then you want to put your screws back in. You put your last screw in right here. Take your little plastic bezel. You want to put it in this way first. It just snaps in there. It's pretty sturdy, so don't be scared to bend it a little bit. And once it's snapped in there, you got your keyboard.